we started working in Africa in 1998. There was nothing but unrelenting despair.
Hospitals were saturated. There wasn't one hospital you could go into that didn't have people in the bed with HIV.
The epidemic had matured and large numbers of people were getting sick and dying.
President Bush decided he wanted to do something big on HIV/AIDS.
We had at least 6 years worth of good antiretroviral therapy that was saving the lives of people in the developed world. And he felt that those of us here in the United States have a moral obligation to see what we can do for others.
And to meet a severe and urgent crisis abroad, tonight I propose the Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, a work of mercy beyond all current international efforts to help the people of Africa.
President Bush deserves a lot of credit. He saw this as an imperative generated from an ethical need and acted on it.
PEPFAR took an approach where we worked on prevention, so preventing infections through mother-to-baby transmission, but also in young women. Even at that very beginning, we were going to save people's lives. We were going to prevent mothers from giving the infection to their babies.
I'm very thankful because we know that if you have HIV, you're going to die. But when the science found the medicine, we are very thankful because we are able to be alive now.
When I first found out that my mother was HIV positive, I was scared. I was really scared because at the time people were dying. If girls are empowered and mentored and encouraged to stay in school, and at the same time to stay HIV-free, they can be able to be unshaken, especially when the boys come in the scene. So I think Dreams is just about that, encouraging girls to dream.
The greatest achievement of PEPFAR is that it has already saved millions of lives.
PEPFAR has put resources to program in a way that has exceeded any other public health effort on the planet or in the history of mankind.
If you leave one person behind, you've left all of us behind. Because all of us are human, all of us are part of that global family. We're all in this together. Either we all move forward together or none of us achieve what we wanted.